I remember the day that you came home. How can I forget? But before I knew you'd already left, you left me in regret. The holidays left as soon as they came. It hit me by surprise. How quickly the time that we had spent vanished for our eyes. And now you're lost in outer space, and I'm starting to miss your face. So you better hurry back, I'm having a heart attack. So bad when you left. We hugged and then I cried. I miss you so, and I know that you know. You can see it in my eyes. I always hated saying goodbye, rather go in the moonlight. If I ever were to run away, I would leave in the middle of the night. Then I'd be lost in outer space, and you'd start to miss my face. But I'm never coming back. I would have a heart attack. And now we're lost in outer space, and you start to miss my face. So you better meet me there, meet me in the anywhere. And now we're lost in outer space, and you start to miss my face.